Thanks to Mjjc for sponsoring this video. They sent me both the Canon and the foam shampoo for the purpose of this video. This is an adapter for the Karcher K series. It feels very sturdy and of very good quality. Rotating it feels very smooth and tight, and as always you have the 360 degree option. This knob controls the amount of foam. The new bottle is completely transparent, and once again it comes in a 1 liter capacity. Canon comes pre-installed with 1.25 orifice, and there is 1.1 orifice included in the package. This is the solution pickup tube, and it feels very of quality. It feels like silicone or rubber. This is the included 1.1 orifice. This is a new style of closing down the Canon, and it feels really good and tight. You only need a little bit of turning and it's already closed. The ball on the bottom acts like a weight and a filter, so it makes sure you always have the solution coming in your Canon. This is the Mjjc's foam cannon shampoo, and it is pH neutral. Thank you for watching, and if you want to buy a shampoo or this foam cannon, I'll put the links in the description.